Hello, my name is Vedant. I am a legal intern with Lexis and Company. Before starting off the video, I would like to say that please like, share this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel of Lexis and Company. There is a disclaimer before starting of the video that this video does not promote or advertise anything about the Lexis and Company as per the Bar Council of India guidelines, and these videos are only for educational purposes for the audience. So for the today's topic of the video is the service tax being can service tax being charged in a takeaway orders from hotels and restaurant? Recently Madras High Court answered this question. The Madras High Court, recently comprising of bench Justice Anitha Sumant, has ruled that takeaway orders or food parcels picked from restaurants would not be applicable for service tax under the Finance Act 1994. It was held in recently decided case of Anjapur Chittadand Restaurant versus Joint Commissioner. So, what were the facts of the case, the issues which were framed and contentions of the party, and what were the judgment or observations given by the Madras High Court? So, facts of the case were as many as 4 petitioner Anjapur Chittinan Restaurant, RSM Foods Private Limited, Talapakatti Hotels Private Limited, and Prasanam Foods Private Limited has raised the concern in respect of to the question as to the liability or to service tax under the Finance Act 1994 on the food that is taken away or collected from restaurant or eateries in parcels. So the issue framed before the court was whether there is a liability to pay service tax under the Finance Act 1994 on the food that is taken away or collected from restaurants or eateries in parcels. The contentions of the parties were, according to the petitioner, that is the restaurant, there is no liability for sale of food at the takeaway counter or by parcel. They would state that the sale of packaged food constitute pure trading activity and there is no component of service involved therein. They rely on the definition of service under section 65B subclause 44, which excludes the transfer of title in goods by way of sale. In light of this exclusion, parcel sales or takeaway foods would stand outside the ambit of service tax. Restaurant service by definition means that all attributes of restaurants such as organized setting, air conditioning, service at the table, live music and enhanced hospitality are included. These attributes are absent in the transaction of takeaway. In fact, service tax on restaurant services have itself been restricted only to service in air-conditioned restaurants. On the other hand, the revenue department contended that drew the attention to the provision of section 66E subclause 1 of the Finance Act 1994, which declares the activity of supply of food or any other article of human consumption or any drink as a taxable service. Thus, according to them, there is absolutely no infirmity in the impunged order that have been brought to tax the receipts from parcel sales or takeaway sales. They rely on the decision of Bombay High Court in Indian Hotels and Restaurants Association versus Union of India, wherein the Bombay High Court holds that the restaurant primarily provide service and the sale undertaken in the course of redemption of service is only incidental. Thus, according to the Revenue Department, the provision of takeaway food and drinks involves the rendition of service and the mode of sale, that is by parcel, has no bearing in the present matter. The transaction in question should thus be bifurcated into one that involves both the components of sale and service brought to tax accordingly. So, what were the court's observation and judgment rendered by the Madras High Court? The High Court observed that the levy of tax on services was governed by the Finance Act, and the legislative competence to levy a tax on services involved in the sale of food and drink is no longer res integra as held by the Supreme Court in case of Federation of Hotel and Restaurant Association of India versus Union of India. The bench relied on Section 66E of the Finance Act dated February 28, 2011 to state that not all services rendered by restaurant in the sale of food and drink are taxable, and it is only services rendered by restaurant, and it is only certain specified situations which propounds to be taxable under the present act. So this was all about the case involved, and where the High Court held that the service tax is not chargeable on takeaway food from restaurant or eateries or hotels, and only the sitting in are chargeable to service tax. Do like, share and subscribe. Do like and share this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel of Lexis and Company. Thank you.